Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install and join Google Classroom for your Doogee S86 Pro. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and from here start searching for an app. Write Google Classroom and select this app. Now click Install. And after our installation process is complete, we can open the app. Click Get Started. Choose already existing account to be used for this Classroom app or add another one. I'm going with this one and clicking OK. Now in order to join the class, click on the plus button and then join class. Enter the class code right here, which you should be provided with. After entering the correct class code, you can press on join and you'll be joined with a class. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.